What is it that makes Dentona the perfect partner for your dental lab? Innovation. Experience. And precision. It takes more than 3 million kilograms of practice a year. Complex methods of analysis. 100% compliance with the specifications. Up to 40 bars of pressure. The dental performance check of each production batch. Tailor-made material solutions. For mastering everyday challenges. Test methods that ensure product quality for years. Demands and challenges which the Dentona products must face. The best technology also requires the best people who are able to detect even the minimum of variation. And who have an eye for the result. Dentona Digital Dental Technology means high-end technology and high-end technicians. They see and optimize everything in the micron range. Dentona also means specialists who pass on their knowledge to the customer in a comprehensive manner. They need more than a dozen supplements and raw gypsums, which are better than just plaster. And special technologies for perfect homogeneity of the materials. More than 40 years of experience and the absolute desire for perfection make your dental work successful.